Siqala zona sachisa ukusuka emzimkhulu wendaba ye-SABC e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg e-Studio 9. Asicangule ngesijujileko sanamhlanje.
So far we have the Mukwele docket that we have worked through. It is what the commissioner calls the doctored A1. That's the A1 in the Mukwele docket.
I mean, that is serious misconduct.
Ukuthokoza umsebenzi kwa-Advocate Andrea Johnson akhange kuliye ukujuka kwakhe ngembuzo ekomitjhinini ngamadlanga ngokungalandeli umthetho ebekwenzeka kwa-IDEC asesesikhulu sakhona.
If you do not have your Postbank Black Card by then, you will not be able to have access to your funds.
Bakwasasa babawa laba basebenzisa amakarata wakwasasa wegolide bawachugulule kusese nesikhathi nje bawachugulele kanzima we-Postbank nangasinjalo bangazithola bangaholi ekupheleni kwenyanga izako uRhoboyi.
In the queue since Thursday.
I don't know why are they keeping us in the same queue.
Abatshayeli bamatraka balila ngokuriyada emkhawulweni banamalanga amane wonke bajamile emjejeni bariyatiswa zimphathimandla zangeZimbabwe.
We're not looking further than the first game. Obviously then getting out of the group to qualify for the World Cup, and then we'll take it from there.
iBanyana Banyana ibhudulana neTanzania emdlalweni wayo wokuthoma we-AFCON ebanjelwe eMorocco. Abakuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba kodwa ku-SABC 1 ngesindebele Lotshani. Ukuthokoza umsebenzi kuka-Advocate Andrea Johnson akhange kule komitjhini ukuthi rag. uJohnson uqalene namacala nembuzo mayelana nokungalandeli umthetho okwenzeka ngaphasi kwakhe asesemphathi. Lokhu kuba lahlangana indaba yomphenyi wa-IDEC uDylan Perumal yestatimende sikaFriedel Adams esijijilwa abofakazi ababili ekulindeleke ukuthi bafakaze ngaphambi kwekomitjhini le.
Umphathi waphambilini we-IDEC uAndrew Johnson kungenzeka ukuthi uluvalile ikhasi lakhe lekhambo leminyaka edlule ema-30 asebenzela umbuso namhlanje. Kodwa na ukuziphendulela mayelana nezisolo zendabeni ye-IDEC ezibalahlangana ubelelesi kezobuhloli kuragela phambili. uJohnson ubekwe ukuthi ahlolwe mayelana namacala asolwa ngawo nakulinganiswa nobufakazi nokuhlayela kobufakazi obusekelako.
My question to you was, what would your advice to the commissioners be as regards how they view this Section 28 summons in circumstances where all the documents that you have listed, we have just discussed, do not factually or legally support this Section 28?
Then the investigation is problematic.
Ukomitjhinara udlale imigadangiso emibili yabofakazi ababili phambi kwekomitjhini ebazokufakaza ngokuthi banelwazi lentatimende zomphenyi uDylan Perumal ukusuka kuFriedel Adams mhlamalanga 6 kuTjhirhweni. Ubufakazi obu kwanje bungenelela phezu kwezisolo ezikulu zokubhalela kulandela umthetho kanti lokhu kuphakamise imibuzo ekomitjhinini.
In the docket and in the various documents that were given to the court, what was disclosed? Is what was disclosed what we now know as the doctored A1, or is it the correct supplementary?
So far we have the Mukwele docket that we have worked through. It is what the commissioner calls the doctored A1. That's the A1 in the Mukwele docket.
I mean, that is serious misconduct. It's serious misconduct.
Ukulayela kwekomitjhini kuyaraga.
Abantu abahola imali yesibonelelo sikahulumende abasebenzisa ikarata lesasa lakade legolide iGold Card kungenzeka bangayitholi imali yabo ekupheleni kwakaRhoboyi. Lokhu kunjengoba abantu abasebenzisa ama-Gold Card babekelwe bekuphele uRhoboyi ukuthi bajukulele emakaradeni amatsha nzima we-Postbank.
Njengoba nasitshidela nje isikhathi sokuqedwa kokusetshenziswa kwama-Gold Card wesasa, abantu abasebenzisa amakarata laba aphelelwa isikhathi.
Utata kuri karata besimona veli ko mama ena setsele bana ke le busy ka mo thebisa ke mageta
sele ithomile ukuba mide imjeje endaweni ezihlukahlukeneko zokuzihlolisela amakarada amatshanzima we-Post Bank kanti isazokungezeleleka njengoba i-Post Bank iqinisekisa ukuthi bangaphezudlwana kwenkulungwane ezimakhulu amabili abantu abasebenzisa ama-gold card kanti okwanje bayi 1.5 million abantu esele bachugululela amakaradeni amatsha.
If you do not have your Post Bank Black Card by then, you will not be able to have access to your funds. Whilst SASSA will continue to pay you into your account, you do need to have the Black Card to be able to transact.
Bakwa-SASSA bayahlathulula ke laba ekufanele bachugulula amakarada.
Ra kopa batho ba rena ra o thola lengolo ka thola message o tswang ko SASSA o tle o ska dula hae wa lahla lengolo o tle o tlo itsibisa hore ho etsala eng.
Kananyana i-Post Bank ithi amachuguluko la ayingcenye zendlela zokuqinisekisa zokuphepha. ISASSA ithi ihlelweli lizokuqinisekisa nokuphepha kwabahola isibonelelo kunye nohulumende begodu baqinisekise nokuthi imali yababhadeli bomthelo ayipheleli phasi.
Abatshayeli bamatraka babambeke esiminyamini esikhulu esijametsiki ku-N1 kwemusina iLimpopo kulandela ukuminyana okusesangweni lomkhawulo iBeitbridge. Amatraka la athutha impahla isusa eSouth Africa ayise emazweni ekubalwa kiwo iZimbabwe, iMalawi, iZambia neDemocratic Republic of Congo. Ubude bomjejelo bemakilomitha 10 emini namhlanje. uKriadoko batsho ukubangelwa ukuhlayelwa kwendawo ekujamakizo inkoloyi nekambiso ibuthaka yokuhlola ngehlangothini leZimbabwe.
Ngokombono abatshayeli bamatraka isango lomkhawulo iBeitbridge ngiyindlela elungileko begodwa eseduze nawo emazweni abomakhelwana. Bathi bakhetha yona kunesango lomkhawulo iCroblas Bridge ephakathi kweBotswana neSouth Africa. Nanyana kunjalo isiminyaminya sesinamalanga amanesi sibachiye bakhulelwe ezinhloko.
We are 4 days in the queue since Thursday. Yeah. The queue is not moving. I don't know what's happening there by border there, especially during the night. So this will take advantage of the truck driver there.
It's very bad here. The situation is very bad because as some of us, our papers are now ready to go straight to the border to cross to go to Zimbabwe.
Abanye abatshayeli bathi kufuze bavunyelwe ukungena eZimbabwe ngombana amaphepha abo selahloliwe kenye indawo ekuhlolwa kiyo ehlanu kwalapho.
The main thing we are worried about is here in the queue we are mixed with those with papers which are ready and those without papers. So we are wondering what could be happening down there.
I-South African Revenue Service ithi ikhulumisana nabalingani bayo beZimbabwe ukuthi basize bona zikhambe msinyazana izithuthi zama-businesses.
We are working with them to try and resolve those and ensure that all the trucks move across seamlessly across the borders from the South African side as well as the Zimbabwean side.
Abanye abatshayeli bamatraka bathonyekile ngombana bangadlulelwa isikhathi esibekiweko sokwehlisa impahla solo basabambeke lapha.
Sele lithomile ihlelo lokuzihlolisela kwabafundi ke-online eLimpopo. Kwethulwe ngokusemthethweni mhlapha nje ihlelo lokuhloliswa kwabafundi online begodwa seliyasebenza. Umnyango lo uthi ihlelweli kube ngengalo ukwenza kube lula ukufakwa kwembawo enkolweni, ukuthuthukisa amahlelo okuhloliswa kwabafundi nokuqinisekisa ukubuthelelwa kolwazi lamambala emahlelweni okufunda.
Imphathimandla zomnyango zisiza ngokuhloliswa kwabafundi online. Ihlelweli libize imali ebalelwa ku-14 million yamaranda ukuthi lisungulwe. Ababelethi sele bathomile ukuhlolisa abantwana babo ngehlelo elijeli. Kanti kulabo abanganawo ama-smartphone bangasebenzisa inomboro yasimahla nofana bachinge enkolweni eziseduze bathole isizo. Solo ihlelo lithomile ukusebenza sekuzimbawo ezingaphezulu kwenkulungwana ezisithandathu abazifumeneko ezivela esifundeni sonke.
The first glitch that we experienced was that the parents that were applying for the grade R, because of the confusion of the years between 6 years and 7 years, when a child is 6, where do they go? Do they go grade R or grade 1? So there was a problem, the system not able to pick up that a child after June next year, they will be at an age of going to school.
Ababelethi bayeleliswa ukuthi bangafaki ama-address amamala nofana incwadi ezingasisemthethweni nabaqobochela imhlolo efunekako.
It will be to the disadvantage of the parent. One, if you put in a different address, you are going to get the schools where you don't stay. Remember, we are also going to trace parents by their ID numbers.
Okufakiwa kwembawo kuvalwa ngomhla ka-31 kuRhoboyi. Ababelethi bazokubikelwa ngemphumela yembawo zabentwa babo ngemva kokuvalwa.
Nasibuya entolo.
Amaphoyisa lasebenza ku-Pienaar Public Order Policing Unit ayalunywa indlebe mayelana nalensimi yensango ene imali la ngicabanga ukuthi estimated street value kusala kungaba plus minus 2 million.
Utholakele iplasa lesango ebalelwa enkitini ezimbili zamaranda itshalwe eMagega noMlambo eCrocodile ngaphandle kwempompela. Sisekhona mbukeli nendaba ezikhamba phambili namhlanje. Kazina zikuphundileko indaba ezwi yazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Namba sikhambe. Kunezakhamuzi ze-dual slope ezingaphasi komasipalata we-Bushbuckridge ezifuna bona kusulwe inkolodo nemali yomthelo ekuthiwa zikolota umasipalata lo. Izakhamuzi lezi zikolota umasipalata lo ingidigidi yemali zamaranda ezingasakhoniko nokuyibhadela, kodwa nazona zigongoyila ngokuthi umasipalata ubiza imali yendleko ezinganazenzelwa zomphakathi.
Izakhamuzi ze-Bushbuckridge zithi umasipalata uzibiza indleko eziphezulu phezu kwenisetshenziswa engakhange zizisebenzise.
We are wrongly billed, more especially in the issue of water. The meter readings, the meter will start counting even if there is no water.
The problem is the property rate system that they introduced, where they charge your house, your rates based on the house, how big is your house.
Bathi alokusizani ngoba namanzi lawo abe awaphumi ngokwaneleko ananda yatswinywa kanti nemithangalasisekelo ihlala inemiraro.
You must explain to us how do we reach that water billing system that they are talking about, because we have some years we didn't have any water, we didn't get water. If they don't scrap the bill, that they come, the entire township, all the townships are going to come together, that we can force municipality to scrap the bill.
Umphathi kamasipalata ke waba nomhlangano nezakhamuzi kodwa nomhlangano waphela ngenithembiso ezinganasisombululo.
Unfortunately, the Management Act does not allow for just a complete writing off of debts until you can prove that some of the debts are irrecoverable. So that's why we suggested it is important to have this meeting with the community. After explaining all the things to the community, then we'll have individual meetings with households so that we can look at their bills, look at their situation, and then explain in terms of what are the processes that we can do to make the rates and taxes affordable.
Amalunga omphakathi abekaphethe incwadi yenililo anikele umasipalata amalanga alikhomba ukuthi abaphendule.
Amapholisa weMpumalanga athole umangokazi wesango ofehliweko hlanu kumlambo iCrocodile River ncange Carino Estate ngaphandle kwembombela. Okwanje akunamuntu obotshiweko kodwa namapholisa athole nepahla eveza ukuthi kunabantu abahlala khona lapho. Mkhulumeli wamapholisa uLieutenant Colonel Jabundubane uyanaba.
Amaphoyisa lasebenza ku-Pienaar Public Order Policing Unit POP ayalunywa indlebe mayelana nalensimi yensango lela kulenzawo ngaseCarino. Amaphoyisa siye safika nasifika la siye sayithola vele lensimi nawuthi uyayibuka insimi lekhombisa ukuthi yanakekelwa kakhulu, nawuthi ubuka nayithi ihlahla likhombisa nje ukuthi kuyanakekelwa, kodwa kude mule simtholile nekuyakhombisa ukuthi kunebantu abahlala la ngoba siye sathola ingubo kanye nekudla nekhombisa nje ukuthi babasa umlilo kanzi nalenzawo yanakekelwa yaniselwa ene imali la ngicabanga ukuthi estimated street value kusala kungaba plus minus 2 million.
Ngezimali randali nzinzile nalenganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Ubanduliwe Banyana Banyana uDesiree Ellis uthi uAFCON yomnyaka lo izokubabdiza. Namhlanje iBanyana eyathumba ibhigidile ngo-2022 yokubambana neTanzania nge-hour lekhomba ebusuku eCasablanca.
Isiqhema sikaDesiree Ellis siseMorocco lapha sathumba khona ibhigiri le eminyakeni emine edlulileko. Kodwa ngemva kwalokho sabuye sayokuthola ubujamo besine. Ngileli hlandla iBanyana iku-Group B. Ipane neBurkina Faso, iTanzania neCote d'Ivoire. Kuhle kuhle umnqopho weBanyana Banyana ukuzibekela indawo ebhigirini yephasi zombelele.
We're not looking further than the first game. Obviously, then getting out of the group to qualify for the World Cup, and then we'll take it from there. I think everybody, have been to the World Cup twice as Banyana, so everybody would try to want to go a third time again after having done so well in 2023.
Ukapteni weBanyana uRefile Jean uthi phambili kulapha baya khona nanyana kungazokubalula nje.
Look at the number of teams that are increased and the teams that are in the tournament. It's not just easy teams to play against, and also it's a World Cup qualifying tournament. Everyone wants to go to the World Cup.
Umdlalo weBanyana olandela lo ungelesihlanu neIvory Coast bese kuthi ngelesibili iveke zakho badlale neBurkina Faso.
Asizwe umbono wakho mbukeli ngomdlalo weBanyana Banyana neTanzania ephaliswaneni leAFCON. Nakumbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
iBanyana Banyana ke izodlula impela kamnandi nje futhi amagoli amathathu eqandeni.
Zange aliphoqela izwe laseSouth Africa iyema nathi kumazwe omhlaba.
Ngaphandle kamathandabuzo iBanyana Banyana iyadlula kwiTanzania. Ndibathembile kakhulu sisibam.
Sobe siyibuka sobe siyisupporta ngathi umdlalo wayo ngamuhle nje.
Izodlula iBanyana Banyana engaze yasiphoxa ngiyayithemba kakhulu.
Abazoshaba idlule nje lapha kule game le yabo idlala.
Angona ningalazi iqembu laseTanzania ukuthi lidlala kanjani. Kodwa iBanyana Banyana ngibona igqitha ngamanqoba amabili kwelinye.
Tanzania wona bolo. Banyana Banyana 2, Tanzania not.
Kathi iBanyana Banyana iyokudlula kahle moyi asitaki asiploki.
iBanyana Banyana izokudlula ngethunzi. Awabonana abadlalako bayazimisela.
Okay, mina ke kulomdlalo ngifisela iBanyana Banyana impumelelo.
Umbono ngiyombukeli SABC ekazokuthosa umlando ukuziphendulela kombono mbukeli. Mbukeli yongiphekelele isikhambisi sokuthengisa. Sijinge ntolo. Mbukeli zanamhlanje asezibeke lapha ngesimbi yekhomba kulalela indaba zesizulu kanti kusasa ngesikhathi esifanako ngezesiswati. Ngiwukhobongile.
Sithokoze bonke silothise umbukeli ekhaya ngomvulo napho ubujamo bakho bezulu sibona lapha livulile eTlagwini ufike lapha phakathi nenaga yeSouth Africa kuthoma lapha ke amathuba we30% ngalesifundeni sangePumalanga Kapa nawuthi uyehlela enzasi nesifunde siyangegwini lapha eGqeberha neGeorge sibona lapha ke athi uqina nge60%. Asiyokuqala ukuthi kusasa ngakhani anjani na sibona lapha ke nangambala likhona izulu ngale kubomthatha nge100% nawuthi ungenelela esifundeni sangale ngePumalanga Kapa nge80% endaweni zabo Bloemfontein sibona lapha ke amathuba wezulu akhona ke nge60%. Asiyokuqala ukuthi ngisiphi ke isilemukiso esisitholileko sibona lapha ke umoya onamandla ngale ke ngendaweni zange Cape Town ngokuhlwa konamhlanje sinakusasa kusesenjalo ngomoya loya ongale ngeCape Town kanike ngale ngemthatha ke njengoba ubonile izulu lilikhulu njaya sithole lapha isilemukiso nangale ke ngakwaZulu Natal. Sicale ke ukuthi kusasa anjani ke amazinga okuchisa sithoma ngapha ngesifunda sangeGauteng libonakala lipholile endaweni eziningi lapha ePitori lifuthumele nge24 iBronkhorstspruit Springs eJohannesburg neVereeniging nge21 ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza njengalapha eLimpopo nakhona ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi sifunda pheze sonke sifuthumele kulapha ePhulukwane neTzanini lapho kuphole khona nge22 kusempumalanga ke lapha ke nakhona ebusuku nekuseni yenbathe nifuthumele ngokuhamba kwesikhathi Emelo neGerlina zithi ukuba makhaza njalo isikhukhuza sifuthumele bomhlanga kuboko Hafontein lithi ukuphola kwaZulu Natal sibona lapha ke endaweni eziningi kumakhaza pheze imini yonke kulapha eDurban neRichards Bay lapho futhumele khona angithi kupholile nge-22 nange-20 Mpumalanga Kapa ke leya ke sifunda pheze sonke esimakhaza mbathani nifuthumele khulukhulu lapha eRobert Sobukwe nakathi aphezulu 8 degrees Celsius nje kwaphela lapha ke eChingalanga Kapa nakhona kumakhaza imini yonke isifunda sonke mbathani nifuthumele sekuse-Vredendal nje lapho libuye liphole khona nge-23 lapha ke endaweni zangeTlhagwini Kapa nakhona isifunda pheze sonke esimakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kube nendawo lapho kuphole khona i-Uppington neKimberley zona zifuthumele i-27 ne-25 ngale nge-Freystata kumakhaza ebusuku nekuseni mbathani nifuthumele ngokuhamba kwesikhathi isifunda naso sithi ukuphola eViepenar ngalimakhaza na imini yonke nalithi likhuphukile i-19 nje kwaphela kokugcina ngesifundeni sangale ngeTlhagwini Chingalanga nakhona ebusuku nekuseni makhaza mbathani nifuthumele ngokuhamba kwesikhathi Rustenburg yi-24 kufuthumele endaweni zangale ke ngeMahikeng yi-23 kupholile nakezinye indawo sibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako dido